Hey friends, myself Justin Paul once again with my next video. Today I would be explaining you the implementation of a singly linked list. So I have started with two header files, hash include iostream and stdlib.h, and then the standard library using namespace std. And here I have created a struct node in which inside I have taken an integer data called info and a link that is of type node, and then a head. And then here I have created a function void add at empty, and I will be passing an argument data. So add at empty will be like adding an element to the empty node, that is before itself there is no data available, so it will be creating a new node and placing it. So node start temp, it's creating a temporary node, and then temp is equal to new node, then temp arrow info is equal to data. That is in that new node which is being created, we will be adding the data, and then temp arrow link is equal to null. That link should point to null as it is the first element on the node, and then head is equal to temp. That is the value of that temp will be initialized as head. And then I have created a function void add at beginning. Here also I will be uh, passing an argument data. Here also I have created a temp new node, and then I will be putting the value of data, that is temp arrow info is equal to data, and then temp arrow link is equal to head, because the first element it's already there, so we want to add at beginning, so the head is there, so we need to the temporary which new node which we have been creating, which we have created now, that at the link of that temporary node should be the head. So head is equal to temp then, because now the first element is the new node which is attached, so the head should be initialized as temp. Now void display. For display, I have created a node star p, and then I have initialized that p as head, and now I am checking whether the head is null. If the head is null, then I am printing that linked list is empty, and then I am coming out like I want to print the elements. So while p not equal to null, that is till this uh, and variable p becomes null, does not become null, we will be displaying. So cout p arrow info, this p arrow info will be displaying the element, and then in the next line we have put it as p is equal to p arrow link. Once it is displayed, it goes to the next node. It will go till the p becomes null. And then for deleting a node, I have again created a function into delete. In that I have passed an argument data. Here I have created two pointer variables. One is temp and another is p. I have to initialize the p as head. Here also I am checking whether the linked list is empty or not. So if head is null, it's empty. Again, then if head arrow info is equal to data, that is we will be asking the user to enter the data which element he or she wants to delete. So if the data is found in the first element, that is head arrow info, then temp is equal to p. That is, we will create a the temp is a pointer variable that we will be passing it to p, and then head is equal to head arrow links, because we should not delete the head, so we are giving the value of that p to temp, and that head we are taking it to the next node, and then we are deleting temp, that is indirectly we are deleting the p. Then while p arrow link is not equal to null, inside that while loop we are coming and checking whether that p arrow link arrow info is equal to data or not. If it's matching, then we'll do temp is equal to p arrow link is equal to temp arrow link, and then we'll be showing that the deleted node is temp arrow in info, and then delete temp. After that, p is equal to p arrow link, because it should move to the next element, or else cout element not found. Now in main function I have taken three variables: opt, data, post. Opt is for the option, data is the data which the user will be entering, and post. And here while loop, inside while loop I have shown the choices which this program will be doing, that is add to empty, add at beginning, delete, display, and exit. So I will ask the user to enter option. The option will be stored in opt, and then in switch case I have passed the argument opt, and then in case one that is add to empty, I will be asking the user to enter the data. Then I will be calling the function add at empty. In the same way, for add at beginning case 2, I will be asking the user to enter the data, and then I will call the function add at beginning, and then enter the data to be deleted. For case 3, that is case 3 is for deletion, so again I will be calling the function delete, and for last display I will be calling the function display directly, and then case 5 is exit. It is coming out of this program, and if the user enters any other value, I will be displaying a message called sorry wrong option. So I will be executing this program and showing you how it works. So enter your option. Since there is no node, I will be starting with add to empty 111. So node is inserted. Then I will go for add at beginning 2 213. Again I will be adding at beginning 234. Then if I want to display the elements 4 234 213 111, because these two values we have been inserting it in the beginning, so it came in the beginning. Now we will be deleting one element 3, so it's asking enter the data which I need want to be deleted. So let me delete 213. So deleted node 213. So if we want to check whether it is deleted or not, I will be displaying it. So we can see 234 211 213 is deleted from this node linked list. So now I will come out of this. So I hope you understood this program. Linked list is very useful as compared to stack and queue, because in stack and queue we can't insert it in beginning, like between and all, but in this linked list we can insert it anywhere. We can delete data specifically, and it's very useful as compared to stack and queue. So I hope you understood this program. Thank you for watching my video.